We have just installed the default VestaCP or Vesta Control panel. First of all, let's talk about the security. This is the default port of VestaCP. It is always better to use different port than default port, so let's change the default port of this VestaCP. For that, go to firewall and create one rule. Action is accept protocol TCP fine port, define your custom port. For this demo I am going to use 4040. That's fine. IP address, if you have static IP address you can define your static IP. If you have dynamic IP, please don't provide here because of dynamic IP are not accessible after a few times. I'm going to assign 0.0.0/0. It means it will be accessible from all over the world, like from the internet, from anywhere. So comment VestaCP. Okay, Vesta Control panel. Add invalid comment. Okay, do not keep space or put space. Add. Go to back. Rule is created. Port is 4040 and rule is accept and from anywhere. So before changing the VestaCP control panel default port, please create the firewall rule, otherwise you will not be able to browse from the browser. Here Nano, I am using Nano as a text editor. If you have gedit or vi, we can use one. User local Vesta nginx configuration directory conf and nginx.conf. This is nginx configuration file. Hit enter and look for the listen parameter or line. Here it is. Listen. Change it to the custom port, which is 4040 in our case. Control O for the right, hit enter and exit. Control X for the exit. Now service nginx restart. We have made some changes in nginx config file. We need to restart the service and service Vesta restart. Okay, now refresh this page. This page should not be open. Yeah, so now change the port here, 4040. Yeah, we have successfully changed the VestaCP default port.